broccoli back. Right, just don't even give me a minute. Yeah?
You do the yeah part.
Yep. Yep. 30 days. Broccoli motherfucker, what you want? Oh, go. Go ahead, girl. Get Brock with it. Go ahead, get Brock with it. Go ahead, bring 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 Brock with it. Get Brock on. Get Brock on. Bring your Brock back. Get Brock on. Get Brock on. Get Brock on. Go, Brock. Broccoli back. Yeah. Mother babies don't know how to act. Yeah. Still like broccoli anyway. Dirty babe. You shackle, baby, I can say. I'll let you leave from this day. Brock. It's Brock. No, it's Brock. Broccoli does not make you feel afraid. Bring the block back. Bring it back. Bring it right back. Bring it right back. Woo! Bring it right back. Bring it back. You ready? I'm ready. You ready for the block? Are you ready for the block? You're bringing broccoli back. Bring your broccoli back. Oh! Woo! Getting broccoli dirty. Game on! Dirty! Stop! I got Brocktoes. Who's got Brocktoes? I got Brocktoes. Can you play that on the end of the Brock video? Can you Photoshop that in to go, I got Brocktoes. I got Brocktoes. Give me some Brocktoes. Brocktoes. How do you like those? Woo! Woo! Oh my God. Lori, you're going to understand when this still have a MySpace because it's going on. I'm going internet. I'm going. Bye, Crystal.
Bye, Crystal. I did. Bye, Crystal. I love you.
I'm hitting the web, bitch. I'm going to the web. Yeah, she won't. Take it to the web. Go ahead. Be done with it. Take the burn. Taking the burn.
You grabbed it.
You ass, dude. Fuck your cutoff. You know that, actually. Where's the Megan, you got my back right. Hi, Sue. Our thing. Hey, Laura, do you know my person? Hey, Bruce, do you know my person? Probably not right. Right. Boy, feel free to search the channel. Dumb you. Laura, seriously. Megan. I like broccoli. I hate all your shoes there. Sarah. S-A-R-A-H. Sarah. Where's my purse, dude? Back.
Is it upstairs in my room?
That bitch was taking cigarettes from it a minute ago.
Is it upstairs in my room? Upstairs in my room? Yeah, to say to Carla.
I know I did. Yeah, go check. I don't think I brought my shoes up there. I just do music videos. I just do Brock videos. I don't know anything about anything at all. Magnus!
You didn't know I was videotaping you this whole time?
Don't take my butt crack. Don't take my butt crack. Yeah, I'll call you. Crazy. I'm crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy for trying. And I'm crazy for trying. And I'm crazy. Oh my god. You're not just do a fucking dolphin. No,
It's a walrus.
Bitch. A walrus. Oh my god, I'm putting that in my face! Laura, you know that I'm oh my god. Megan, seriously. Download both of the broccoli bag and her walrus.
They're all on the same page.
I don't care. It's a fucking seal, walrus seal, whatever. It's all right on my mouth. Dude, Laura, you're the shit, man. You fucking... Let's see if I can do it backwards.
No.
Yeah.
No, Laura. Floor.
I'll fucking kick some shit.
Yeah, don't do it. You'll hurt your neck.
Timber. Hi, Timber.
Don't rip it out.
Let's play the game. Can we play the game again?
Why? That game got boring.
Okay, well...
Do your imitation thing. Your...
Hey!
No.
What? This corgi is
Yeah.
goes on. Okay. Give me. I'm getting tired. Fuck you. Yo. Cut.
Pick up your phone.
That looks so good.
Can I see it?
Well, you'd have to watch the... We'll just watch it all after the whole thing's done, okay? It'll be even better.
Let's do it now.
Are you tired?
I guess the disco gone fast. Gone slowly on. Let's watch it.
Oh, man.
My left.
Hold on.
Dude, I know hairs are not supposed to be like, I don't know where they go. I don't know either. That one goes? Okay, listen. That one goes right. Hey, this is Corky from Light Goes On. And Benny from LA Law. She said, don't be retarded. Pick up your phone. I really just don't know how to stop this cam. Pause, capture, and the madness.